welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you an interesting website known as Animaker.com. Animaker.com is a platform for you to create animated videos using hundreds of thousands of templates already been made available for you. The interesting part of this site is that even if you don't want to use any of the templates, you can also get to create your own video from the beginning. Okay, so today, basically in this tutorial, I'll just be showing you the platform. You just go to the platform, get used to it, get familiarize yourself with the platform. Then in my next video, we go down to the practical sense of it to see how we can actually use the template for our project. Okay, so basically this website has two options. You have the paid version and you have the free version. So basically the difference is that when you use the premium version, which is the paid version, you get access to a whole lot of resources, and you get to publish your videos without having the watermark Animaker on them. This is in contrast to or contrary to what you have using the free version of Animaker. Okay, if you look at the top right hand corner, you can see the login button and the sign up button. So if you have not used this website before, you have the option of either getting to sign up, or if you have signed up before, then you just simply log in. Okay, just scrolling down, you can see all the different templates. You can get to see for yourself thousands of templates and all the available resources that are on this site. Basically, if just for you to get to this site, all you just need to do is just open your browser and type animaker.com, and it opens up, and this is how the home page looks like. Very beautiful. I've done paid for this. I'm just getting to do this for the purpose of education. Okay, so once this open up, you can see the resources. A lot of resources here, depending on what you want to do. Okay. So for me, I already have an account, so I just click in the login page. So it takes me down to this part of the page. So then I'm going to log in using my Gmail account. So just click on that, and automatically, okay, it opens up. It's a little bit slow because of the internet, but I just wanted to get to see the various steps that are involved in getting to log into this site. Logged in, it takes you to this beautiful dashboard, okay, where you could get to see hundreds of thousands of templates. Okay, depending on the projects you are intending to execute, you can choose different formats. Okay, maybe desktop format, phone format, mobile format, or you want to create your video for social media purposes, you can get to pick any of this template here. And there's a search area there in case you don't want to start going through all the templates. You want to be specific, and just type in a particular event, maybe birthday, presentation, then it comes up. Okay, that project with the green background is actually a project I did for my company some times ago to explain the meaning of coding. If you open my, if you go to my YouTube channel, you can get to see that video. They actually made that video using Animaker. So these are the various templates that you can easily have access to on this site. So we look at the left hand side as well. You can see a whole lot of guides that can show you where you need to go to. It's very easy. This website, one interesting thing about this website is that you don't even need to have any experience. Okay, you don't need a lot of learning or knowledge for you to use this website. Once you get in, you can actually start creating your project immediately. You can start creating your project immediately without any previous teaching or knowledge from anyone, and that's what I actually find interesting. Then if you get to scroll to the bottom of the page of the dashboard, you can get to see different characters that you can actually use for your project. If you may, depending on the occupation, you can get to use them. And if you are not okay with any of these characters, you can always import your character, or you can even create one using the platform here. So it's just seeing a lot of templates that you can use here. Okay, so basically this video is just to familiarize us with these beautiful websites where you can get to create beautiful animated videos. You can even do a voiceover, you can import sound, you can import music. Anything you want to do on this site is technically available. So for today, that'll be it. That'll be all. I'll see you in the part 2 of this tutorial where we can use a template to create a video. Have a nice time. Bye.